फिफ्थ टॉपिक है हमारा संभाल होर्नक्राफ्ट utilizes raw materials produced from deceased animals. सिक्स्थ है महोबा गौरा पठार हस्तशिल्प यूनिक स्टोन्स क्राफ्ट ऑफ महोबा. सेवेंथ है मणिपुरी तरकशी पॉपुलर आर्ट form characterized by brass wire work on wood. Now the next topic is Sagar Samajik Sahyog new CSR guidelines. CSR plan will also need to be prepared for each financial year. Say CSR corporate social responsibility. Now the next is Utprerak Center of Excellence to accelerate adoptions of energy efficient Anant Takniki Pradarshan Kendra. It's also named as Advanced Industrial Technology Demonstration Center AITDC. The Union Minister of State for Power inaugurated Utprerak. Now the next topic is Report Fish Disease app. The Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying will launch the Report Fish Disease RFD app at Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi. Thank you. Keep watching my video.